Hey everyone, today let's talk about a question that's on pretty much every professional's mind. How do you actually work smarter, not harder? We're going to dive into a set of tools from Maltix, their advocate membership, that claims it can help you do exactly that. Let's see what it's all about. But first, really think about this for a second. How many hours of your day are you just glued to a screen? What could you be doing if you got a real chunk of that time back? That's the big idea we're going to unpack today.
And this is the motto that drives everything we're about to look at. You know, it's way more than just a catchy phrase. It's a whole strategy for being more effective. And these tools we're going to see are designed to make it your reality.
So the solution they're offering is this thing called the advocate membership. Let's break down what it is and how it's supposed to help you get that valuable time back. So at its heart, it's basically a free toolkit. And it's focused on two main things: cranking up your productivity and making your networking way more efficient. The real magic here is that promise to work from anywhere. It's all about freeing you from your desk.
And the price to get in the door? A big, fat zero. Yep, it's totally free to sign up. That just removes any reason not to try it, right? So you can just focus on what it can do for you. Okay, so how does it all work in the real world? Well, the first batch of tools is all about using your phone first, designed specifically to get you away from the computer screen.
First up is a mobile-friendly knowledge base. Just imagine your company's entire brain, all its info and answers, but instead of being trapped on a server somewhere, it's right there, living in your pocket. The key things here are speed and just how easy it is to use. It's personalized for you, and with an AI-powered Q&A, you're not wasting time digging through endless folders. You just ask a question and get an answer. It means you can solve problems on the fly without even thinking about opening your laptop.
All right, the next tool takes on that classic, kind of awkward networking moment. You know the one where you're fumbling around for a business card? Yeah, this is meant to fix that for good.
It's a digital eCard, so sharing your details is just, boom, done. Instant and seamless. And it's not just about being convenient, it's about making a really sharp, modern first impression. It just says, hey, I'm efficient and I know what I'm doing. And that whole idea of a modern first impression flows right into the next theme: making your professional connections better. This is about more than just swapping info. It's about actually building your network in a smart way.
I mean, just look at the difference here. The old way is full of little hassles, digging for cards, trying to remember to follow up, and just missed opportunities. The advocate way smooths all that out, using tools like the eCard and Maltix Connect to make networking feel effortless.
But it actually goes way beyond just you and another person. The membership kind of plugs you into this bigger community. You get access to free networking events, special deals from other members, and even tools to start building your own community.
Okay, but let's be real. Whenever you hear about new tools, there's always that little voice in your head going, ugh, is this going to be a huge pain to set up? That's a totally fair question, and Maltix has a pretty direct answer for it.
And that answer is a real human. You're not just left alone with a confusing manual or a help forum. You get actual help from a person to make sure you get up and running without wanting to throw your phone against the wall. The whole process is boiled down to 3 simple steps. You sign up, you get 30 minutes of free one-time virtual assistant support to get you set up, and then you're off to the races. Honestly, that VA support is the real game changer here, because it gets rid of that first big roadblock completely.
Okay, we've covered a ton of stuff, so let's just boil it all down to the essentials. What are the key takeaways for you?
Let's just connect the dots one last time. You get a mobile knowledge base, so you can find answers fast, from anywhere. You get a digital eCard, so you can share your contacts in a snap. You get Maltix Connect to build your network efficiently. And the best part? That 30 minutes of VA support means you get started for free, without any of the usual stress. See? Each feature is there to fix a very common, very annoying problem.
And in the end, it all comes back to this one powerful idea. It's not just a goal, it's really a call to action. All the tools we've just looked at are designed to make this philosophy your new normal.
So, I'll just leave you with this final thought to chew on. If you actually manage to cut down your screen time and really boost your efficiency, what would you do with all that time you get back? Spend more time with family? Learn a new skill? Finally launch that side project? What's the first thing you would do?